In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a QR code in Microsoft Edge. First, you will want to open Microsoft Edge. This is the browser you will use to generate your QR code. If you are on your computer, look for the Edge icon, which typically looks like a blue and green wave. Click on it to launch the application. Once the browser is open, you will see the familiar homepage or your last visited site. This step is essential because it sets the stage for the entire process. You need to have Edge up and running to access the features for creating a QR code. Next, go to the web page you want to share. You can do this by typing the URL directly into the address bar at the top or by clicking on a bookmark if you have one saved. It is important to choose a page that you believe will be useful for others, as QR codes are a quick way to share links. Once you have navigated to your desired web page, take a moment to ensure everything looks right. This is crucial because the QR code will link directly to this page. Now right-click anywhere on the page. This action will bring up a context menu with several options that are relevant to your browsing experience. When you right-click, a list will appear, allowing you to perform various actions. It is important to use the right-click function correctly, as it unlocks additional features that are not available through the regular menu. Make sure you are clicking in an empty space on the web page to avoid any interference with links or images. From the context menu, select Create QR Code for this page. This option will generate a QR code specifically for the web page you are currently viewing. Clicking this option is a key step because it tells Edge to create a QR code that contains the URL of the page. You will see a small window pop up with the QR code displayed prominently. This is a straightforward action that allows you to quickly create a shareable link for anyone who scans the code. A QR code will appear on your screen. Take a moment to appreciate that this code is now ready for use. It visually represents the link to the web page you chose earlier. QR codes are incredibly useful for sharing information quickly and efficiently. Whether for business, education, or personal use, having a QR code on hand makes it easier for others to access the same web page. You can also test it by scanning with your smartphone to see if it directs you to the correct site. Next, click Download to save it as an image. This action will allow you to keep the QR code for later use, whether you want to print it, share it via email, or upload it to social media. Saving it as an image ensures that you have a permanent copy of the QR code. This is beneficial because you can use it multiple times without having to recreate it. Once you click Download, your computer may prompt you to choose a location to save the file. Make sure you remember where you are saving it so you can easily find it later. With these steps completed, you now have successfully created a QR code using Microsoft Edge. You can share this code with others or use it in presentations and printed materials. This process is simple and efficient, allowing you to harness the power of QR codes to enhance your sharing capabilities. Feel free to explore further features in Edge as they can help streamline your workflow even more.